If you are importing any shipment which requires SABER COC certificate and you don't have COC and you are importing it for your personal facility use or you are importing as a raw material, so you can apply for the SABER exemption through SABER portal. Most of the people don't know about this. I made a video this before, but right now the exemption, the complete SABER portal is changed, so most of the people don't know. So let's check out and I'll guide you how you can log in or how you can go to that place. Mostly for exemption also you will use the same ID and password which you are using for your SABER account. How you can log in? Let's go and check it out how to make exemption certificate. Okay, so as you can see, we have to go to saber.sa website first thing, and then we will click on login. From here it will ask you for individuals, importers, government, local manufacturer. We will select the importers because we are importing it for company. If our product is commercial and we are importing it for our commercial use, then you will use the commercial product for which we will have to apply for the SABER certificate. Okay. If our product is not commercial, we are importing as a raw material or something, we'll click here consumer products. From here, let it open it. See, I already applied for commercial product for somebody. It says request is being started, but once you click on here, let me just log out first, then I'll guide you. Login. Importers. Consumer product. Then it will ask ID and password. I'll write my ID and password here. And then it will ask for the OTP, like this, sorry, not OTP, it's like captcha, and you will enter it, and then you will click on Tasjil Dakhul, and then it will enter. Let me explain you in English also. Once you write here user ID and password, it will ask for the captcha code. You will enter the same captcha code here, 854, and you'll click on login. So it will take you to the SABER exemption page. Thank you for watching. I hope the video is very easy and not difficult for anybody. And if you need any further support in terms of custom clearance, COC certification, SFDA, you can contact us anytime. We can guide you. And we are also preparing the exemption certificate. For those who cannot do it, we'll charge minimal fees and we can do it for you also. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care and Assalama.